Alright guys, we're here at Motel 6, York, Pennsylvania. Check out all this nasty shit. This is what $70 gets you. It looks like bedbugs definitely been in here. Yeah. More of a $40 room. Little sink area. There's mold in here too. Man, that's all moisture and mold right there. How disgusting the tub is. Shower curtain. Oh. That shit smells in there. Fucking head of mold or water. It's all wet under the tub. Cigarette burns. Oh, this is filthy. Yeah, Motel 6, York, Pennsylvania. Stay away from this place. Not worth $70. Probably bed bugs, feel really itchy. If you like what you see, please like, share, and subscribe. KW out.